What's up everybody, so welcome to back another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how can you move your videos from camera roll to any player. So this is a simple method. Here is how to do it. Just go to your video. So here is I have video. So just simply click on video and click on share button here, and so I wanna just add into my VL player. So click on to save file, and so you can save in iCloud. Just select my on my iPhone and select VLC player and click on add button here. So delete from here and go and check back. So here's the song I have copied into VLC player. So guys, thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel for more videos.